let's go live. Okay, microphone looks like it's picking up sound. That's good. Camera is sort of working. Maybe. How is everyone doing? Man, it's dark outside, isn't it? Super dark. Anyways, let's just dive right in. So, memory card project, which is part of the Odin project curriculum. Few changes since last stream. When did I last stream? Tuesday? Like, not this Tuesday, last Tuesday. Yeah, it's Wednesday today. God, it feels like it should be Friday. It's been a long week. So, changes, what have I done? I've got the repo set up, and I literally, just before the stream, started the GitHub pages. So that's working quite nicely. I did have a small issue with the images not loading here. Like, I think it was like Bangalore, Caustic, and Crypto. I think those images weren't showing, but that was because I had them capitalized in my code, and for some reason it's case sensitive, so that's fine. What else have I done? Let's get the code up, because I got a few notes. So I had a few issues last time with the navbar. Just had to be careful about resizing, so I've done that a little bit. And I've finally remembered how to do the grid. Well, I didn't remember, that's a lie. I googled how to do the grid wrap thing that I wanted to do. So you could do like autofill or auto fit, and then it was min max. So I was really close with the min max that I was trying last time, but it was the auto fit that I didn't quite get, and that just like makes this work nicely. So I'm quite happy with that. What's the difference? I think I went with auto. Oops, why is my code on this screen? Where is it? The card container. I went with autofit, yeah. Because I think with autofill, if there's enough space to create a new column, it will do that anyways. So that's kind of what I've done there. Like I say, bit of resizing on the navbar. So, oh yeah, I hid the score. No, I hid the info column on smaller screens because it was just like caused me a bit of bother, so I was just like, yeah, let's just hide it, and that works fine. Still doesn't look brilliant, but I can get away with it. I'm going to change the text color to black because it's not very well. There's not a huge contrast, so if I click on that, yeah, the contrast ratio is pretty bad, so definitely need to change that to black. And that's that. I've got it loaded up using npm start right now, and because I've got GitHub pages, I'll just show you the app. Oops. Yeah, my images aren't loading properly now because I'm using GitHub pages. So I think this is all due to, let's open up package JSON. I think it's due to this home page. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's the issue. Because I think the images are now trying to be like C development top memory card / images, but it's not that. It's doing like localhost. I'm losing my voice. That's not good. Excuse me. So if I let's just inspect this. Images ash. Open it in new page. It should still be there. I don't know why it's doing this. No idea. I think it is like GitHub pages, but not 100% sure. So let's what do I want to do today? So today I want to get this info modal working. Well, built. I haven't actually started it at all. So my idea is here that I click it, it will say like, this is the game, this is what you're supposed to do, kind of thing. Then I'm kind of divided about, whoops, wrong app. I can't, depending how well that goes, the modal, there's a few different things I want to do. I want to kind of create a difficulty level for this app. So you can start off with 5 cards, then you can go to 6, 7, whatever, or you could just like allow the user to select the number. So I might do that, or might start working on that tonight, not too sure. Similarly, the game over screen, because right now if I actually finish the game, let's do this one so I can actually see. Go Ash, Bangalore, Bloodhound, Crypto, Caustic. Yeah, there we go. So now I've got a score of 5 and a high score of 5. If I click on any of them now, because I've already clicked them, it's going to reset my score. And I think after I click that last one, whichever one it was, I should get some sort of like, congrats, you did it. But now it just like goes to 0. So it would be quite nice to get that set up as well. So either probably do one of those two, like make a start on one of those two tonight, see how far I get. Links to the top right corner, so that will just be something up here on desktop. You know, Twitch, YouTube logo, the globe logo for the website, that sort of thing. Link to the Odin project as well. I am losing my voice, sorry. Excuse me. So that's probably something that I don't really need to do on stream. But the idea will just be a container of some sort. Probably have it 2x2 in a grid, maybe. I think 2x2 would look well. Look good. Oh, it's late. So yeah, I think that would be fine. Have some like, I don't really want a hover animation, but maybe just like a toolbar or something. I don't know. It'll be fine. I'll get there. So yes, what should we call? I'm going to close a few of these because there's quite a lot going on. Card container I don't think I need. Don't think I need card. Package JSON I don't need that. Navbar. So I've got these, I've already got that selected as tab info. That's good. Let's first target the tabs. I think I've already, that's background color. Where's color? Let's put this back to black. Save, and that's fine. Yeah, if I inspect that, the contrast should be good now. Yes, very high contrast. So that is brilliant. The zeros probably, they annoy me slightly because they don't really look centered. But that's just a small issue, isn't it? It does annoy me that these images aren't loading. And this, I need to push it before that works. Okay. So next, if I have I got, I thought I had an info one. Have I not targeted it somewhere? Find. Yeah, tab info. Oh, it's in the media screen. Okay, so we'll just do this down here. Tab info, I just want cursor pointer, so it looks like it can be click. Add in. Oh, I was reading something the other day actually, or maybe I was watching like Web Dev Simplified, like a short. I don't know if they've brought in CSS nesting now. I don't know if it's just in the talks, and it's like one of the like dev stages maybe. That'd be pretty good. I need to do more like SCSS and stuff like that. So all I want to do now is tab info and hover. I might do focus as well. Focus. And basically just want to do font weight bold. Font weight bold. Bold. I don't know why I'm saying it weird. Bold. There we go. So it looks like it can be click. Yay. But it doesn't work. That's fine. Save that. Should I make a new component for my modal? Ooh, should I make a new component? How am I going to do this? So what normally happens is a modal is kind of there on the page. And it just becomes like display fixed or something like that, display block. No, I'm going to do it. Oh, no, I can't do it within my nav. Yeah, I can do it in my nav bar, I think. I think I can do it in my nav bar. I just need to style it correctly. Hello, KP. Nice to see you again. I hope the links and stuff, I hope they work nicely for you. As you can tell, I'm having issues with my images and links, so I may not be able to help. That's I'm going to try and do something which may end up breaking everything. Div. So what I'm going to put is this slot inside of this one. Nice indentation. Just like that. And then I'm going to do another div. Yeah, div, class name, modal. I've forgotten how Bootstrap names modals. I use it so much now, it's ridiculous. But I'm just going to call this class name modal body, I think. Nice question mark there. Then we can do H. Oh, it's annoying when doing React, then it doesn't auto correct because I've got the wrong thing. React, JavaScript. H2 rules and info. What is the aim of the same card twice? I think that makes sense. Let's have a look at that. Okay, how am I gonna do this? Modal. So dot modal is the whole thing. Position or position fixed, top of 0, left of 0, bottom and right. So that should push it to everywhere. I'll save it. Yes. Display. Just heard some weird noise outside. Display grid. Place items. Center. That works nicely. And then we can do I call it modal? I don't like doing camel case. Modal body. And this has a background of white. Boom, looks good. Looks good so far. I'll need to do some JavaScript so I can click off of it, but here I want a background. RGBA, we'll do it as a near transparent. There we go, I like that. Oh, should I go higher in the trunk? Save. I need to change my settings. Where is settings? I used to have this on my other computer, and it was like a files autosave after delay. Cool. Now I can stop pressing save. That's fine. That's fine. Let's add in border radius, make it look a little bit less sharp. Padding pixels. I might add in like a horizontal line here. HR. I like that actually. Rules and info. Might be nice if there's a little less padding. Not margin, not padding. So I'll take that. Target the H2. H2. 5 pixels. Is that right? No, that's not right, is it? Margin, bottom. 0. Nah, 0 looks fine. Okay. What's next? What is next? Oh, that's what's next. What? Shadow box. Yeah, let's add a box shadow. 0, 4 pixels, 4 pixels, 0 RGBA. Oh, what just went on there? Watching some videos the other day of someone doing CSS art just using linear gradients, and I was like, that's insane. I wish I could use linear gradients that well. I was trying to experiment with box shadows, and yeah, I did some quite nice stuff. I did like made a circle which looked almost 3D, like I had a shadow and stuff like that. I was quite happy with it. Very proud of myself. Okay, nav bars. So now I want some functions. Const modal toggle. Why am I getting? Oh, I thought this delay would be fine. There we go. What can I do? What can I do? So let modal equals, is it document.query select? Why is it gone green document? Modal, and I'm just going to console.log that to make sure it works, because I don't like how it's gone green. This is the one on click. Modal toggle. I don't need that. There we go. I also want to add it on down here. Oh yeah, it is working. It is working. I like that. Look at it. Look at it. Click, 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 click. Okay, I should not have that much. So that does work. I'm gonna call it the fixed. No, the is it the block? I'll call it. That'll be display block. If I save that, false, false, false. That's good. If I add in the block here now, should be true, true, true. All good there. The idea is if this, I don't need to do that, do I? I'm being an idiot. Let's just comment that out for a second. Modal.class. Sure, there is already a toggle, unless I'm thinking of jQuery. Toggle? Yeah, well, I wanted to say there's a toggle. D block. So that will be, this now needs a, that's not worked. I've added D block, I've removed it. I think it's because of position fixed, isn't it? Save that. Nope, it's still showing. Display none. Why is it still showing? I hate doing this. Important. Click it, I get D block, remove it, I don't. So, do I have a general? I don't have like a general styles. I was going to write style, general. I'm not too sure if this is going to work because, oh, I do have, I've got app. That's annoying, that app's not. No, I'm just going to leave general. Probably really bad organization. The block has sort of worked. Oh, because I don't need D block, I need D grid. Oh, is that why it didn't work? Oh, I'm an idiot. I've got two displays on. Okay, so that's fine, but let's change it to a grid and somewhere else. Did I change the name? I did not change the name. Dgrid. That's saved, that's saved. Okay. Click it. Nothing is happening. Why is nothing happening? General has got a grid. Display none, display grid. Why is it not toggling that? What have I done? That is the grid, yeah. Grid, yeah. Remove that. Come on, man, what are you doing? Back to the console, refresh that, delete that. So it is finding it, it's just my CSS is not doing anything. What have I done wrong? Oh, I've done something really stupid. That's the wrong thing. I must have done something really stupid. I wouldn't. I think I just closed it. No, it's fine. I remove this important. Is that? Nope. Still not doing anything. But grid, if I did deblock, that did work, didn't it? Deblock. Oh, that works. Why is it showing? It's not because of that, is it? I put the semicolons in the wrong place. Put this back to grid, not grid F. I am an idiot. Okay, so the semicolons were in the wrong place. Looks pretty good. I do like having the toggle because before I would have an event listener on the background or the modal itself, so I could click that off, but this works really well. So info, aim of the game is to select all the cards in a row without selecting the same card twice. Yeah. That is good. That is good. So I think I can put a big tick, or just a tick maybe, on this. Nope. This. Let's have a look. I can do control Alt. So let's try, which one? I'll do the game over screen. I think that's probably going to be very similar to the model I've just done. Could probably reuse some of the classes. No, I can't reuse some of the classes. So if I use the same class and I have an event listener, it might. No, yeah, so what I was thinking is if I just reuse this kind of modal bit down here, but that's not going to work because if I had this modal toggle on another thing, it's only going to pick up the first one, and the first one's this nav in the document. So yeah, I might just reuse it, but change the toggle, modal toggle, and add an ID. Doesn't make it very usable though. Hello, Michael. How's it going? Oh, that's nice to hear. How are you finding top? Do I pass in high school? No, I don't. Oh, wow. Java's not something I've really touched on. What's it like? And how long's the boot camp? It was something I toyed with going for a boot camp at one point, but they are quite expensive, aren't they? 16 weeks, nice. I need to pass in something here. What's fjob? I don't know what that means. Fjob. Oh, fundamentals. So is your aim to like do Java and go on to what do you do? Java's like software development, isn't it? Card container, yeah, high score update for cards, yep. So I need check for game over. How am I going to check for game over? Oh my. I can do that in use effects. Oh yeah, I actually don't think I need this random card order here. I'm going to delete it and see what happens. Still works. Yeah, that's what I thought. We spend the first 6 weeks on Java, then make our way from back end to front end. Oh, that's interesting. I think a lot of people normally find front end a little bit easier because you can see the results, can't you? Whereas with Java, it's a bit more, I don't know, abstract. Hello again, Ahmed. How's it going? So I need to check for update and delete that and high score. I think this may break everything, but we're going to go for it. Ah, good to hear, good to hear. If high score is equal to cards.length, let's just do an alert, because I haven't done alert for a while. And now I need to try and get my high score. Refresh this. Oh, I've refreshed the wrong thing. That's okay. Ash, Bangalore, Caustic, Crypto, and Bloodhound. Yay, got the alert. Spot on. And everything was still shuffling, right? Ash, yep. Nice, nice. Object-oriented programming. Oh, that's a fun topic. Still something I struggle with at times. So what do I need to do now? I'm all over the place. Let's go back to the code. So instead of having this alert, I'm going to have a what should I call it? An open modal function? Open modal? Open. I'll just call it game over. Game over. Let's create a new function. Const game over. And I want to, what do I want to do? I want to copy this modal and go back to this one. And I'm gonna have to change a few things. Nested. Struggled with nested for loops, yeah. Oops. I don't know what the best way around nested loops are, because they are quite intensive as well, aren't they? If you've got like loads of data and you're looping through loads more data, you can just be like, ah, break. But I think it's quite rare to go through that much data, especially in the beginning. Oops, undo that. Java's a strongly typed language, isn't it? Where you've got to have in the, like, you've got to add a semicolon and everything like that at the end. Is that Java? I know C is a strongly typed language. I thought they were quite similar. Oh yeah, multi-dimensionals, and oh, it is really complicated. It's like oh, I don't know if I've got any examples of like crazy APIs. Yeah, you do need this. I thought you did. I wasn't too sure. ID over. You win. Let's do it as a H1 here, I think. Get rid of those two. What I found with the programming is I start doing a language and then I just really want to do more languages. Like I dabble in a lot of them too much. I just need to sit down and properly learn a language. And query selector. Hashtag. It's quite an addictive thing, I find. The grid. Modal toggle is not defined. That's fine. Do like a restart or something here, but yeah, I'll take that off for now. Looking at C#. Yeah, game dev would be pretty cool. But I guess you've also got to be able to do a bit of design work then, don't you? It's like, that is definitely not a strong suit of mine, as you can tell from this game. Oh, I've just lost everything. No. That's fine, that's fine. Is it fine? What's caused the issue? Why has it stopped working? What have I done with my styles? Look at that. And card container. I think that is my issue. Card container should... No, because card's the issue, isn't it? It's not showing card. Oh, it's not styling card, I guess. Why is card not styled? What have I done? Card? Yeah. What is going on? Just comment this out. It doesn't like that. Oh, this is weird. And put that in like that. And like that. Still doesn't like it. What have I done wrong? Just delete it. Best solution. Okay, it still doesn't like cards. What have I done? Card from card, styles, card container. What? I literally have no idea why this isn't working. There we go. Indie game. There was first. Yeah, source. Probably like there might be a few like free things you can use online, but maybe not the best. Yeah, no worries. I hope you have a nice rest of your day. Thanks for popping by. I'm going to put everything back in now. And that. And all that. Get rid of that. Yeah, okay, it sort of works. But I don't like this now. It's gone weird. Shouldn't be taking in. Yeah, it's got display none. I wonder if it's because of this. Ooh, what am I going to do about that? I do height here. Yeah, that's all I needed. That's all I needed. I've lost the CSS. Okay, so if this works, I should get a modal at the end. Interesting that when I click on one of them, I just click, I did. So if I click crypto, I think that was the wrong one. Okay, let's refresh because I'm going to lose my Ash. Bangalore. Bloodhound. Caustic. Crypto. Yeah, you win. I need some music, but maybe for another day. Okay, happy with that. Is that? I wonder if can I make it bigger? I want to make the font huge. So I now need. I'm gonna keep like. This is my problem. Once I've got like something built, I want to keep adding to it now. So now I've got a game over screen. I need a restart. Restart. So how do you do a strike through on? I always forget how to do a strike through. Is it like this? Yeah. Okay, so I win. Then what? If I do the next level option, I think I can get this working. So if I do the next level option, in the game, I need like initial number. I'm just like thinking out loud. So initial number, which in this case will be 5, for example. Then when I click restart, that number needs to increase. So it'll just be a +1. That's fine. in the card container, I'll have to add more options here for the cards, which is why I was going to do possible cards. I think my cards will be like it's not a substring, is it? It's like a split on the arrays. I think that would work. I think that would work. Possibly. Why not? Let's try it. Should we add in? Is it? I want to. Yeah, button, type of button. Restart. On click. How did that happen? On click. Restart. Oh, I want to call it next level. Next level. Next level. That's fine. That's gonna come in from here. Yep. Next level equals next level. This is going to be a const. Next level is a function. So here, what do I need to do here? What do I need to do here? My mind's gone blank. I had it. I was so close. So let's create a state. Initially, it's going to be 5. Okay, we'll set level as level plus 1. I think that makes sense. I think so. I want another use effect, which is going to happen when when level changes. When level changes, I want to set the score to 0 and set the current cards to. I don't know if this is going to cause me issues, but I'm going to try it. Haven't got like any major warning screaming at me, so that's something positive. Ash, Bangalore, Bloodhound, Stick, and Crypto. You win. Next level. Oh wait. That might be okay. No. I should have done like console.log. Let's console.log something. Next level clicked. And I also want to console.log the level. Yeah, okay. I know you got it twice, but that's fine. Next. Okay, next I need to close off the modal when the button's clicked. And I need to do something about the number of cards. Yeah, that should be fine. Okay. So, game over. Just close modal. And it is remove, isn't it? Yeah, it is remove, yeah. Oh, is that... Can I have... No, I know what I need. I don't need another function. That's a lie. I will just do it. Yeah. Let's try this again. Ash, Bangalore, Bloodhound, Caustic, and I've lost them. Crypto, you win. Next level. And the next level's increased. I'm getting there, slowly but surely. So, card container now. This is why I had this before. Possible cards. And that's going to be this array. I need the actual brackets. Possible cards. Get rid of that. I think I've taken too many brackets from somewhere. Use state. Oh, what is it? It's not substring, is it? Possible cards. It's split or splice, or something else. What's splice do again? Slice. I'm gonna do slice. 0. Next level -1. Yeah. Nothing works. I broke it. Interesting. Why do I have no cards? Why do I have no cards? Oh no. That's fine. Possible cards, yeah. Why is this? So if I copy this. Okay, I'm getting a blank array there. That is why. Oh, I've done something wrong. Is it next level? How does splice work again? It's really embarrassing. That also doesn't help that getting game up. That's fine. That's something else. That's a different issue. Do I? I'm just going to do it to 2. Yeah, I'm getting 2 there. Right. Refresh. They're still not showing up. Oh, it's because I haven't done it here. Let's just do 2. See if that works. Yes. Why am I getting those 2? I thought I'd get Ash and Bangalore. So that should be splice, not slice. Yes. What am I getting in here? Yeah, I'm getting Ash and Bangalore. Ash, Bangalore. Ash, Bangalore. Why am I getting Bloodhound and Cost? What is going on? KP, I'm in the same boat as you. I can't wait till I understand this as well. I have no idea what I'm doing. Oh man. I wonder if card sort. I wonder if that's doing something weird. Play it off well. Thanks. What have I gone? Slow down. This is making no sense. No, that's not what I wanted to do. What did I just click? Okay. This is really bizarre. I'm gonna have a lot of, let's do this. Cards, colon. Click it. That was a lot of cards. It's even saying, this is so weird. There's cards, right? So something is going, I think it's this. It can't be this sword, can it? Is it this sword? I wonder if it's like, it's not resetting the cards, is it? Oops, I've won. Oh, that's interesting. Oh yeah, because the high scores changed. I was wondering why game over's not appearing. But the level has changed, right? What is going on? Whoops. Back to the code. I'm gonna do this and this. See if that makes any difference. There we go. Ash Bangalore. Next level. Okay. So I've got too many console.logs, but I don't really care right now. What was it called? Level. Next level, that was it. Yes, I know. Refresh. That is probably my issue. I think that's what was happening before. I was passing through next level, which is fine because I need to do the function next level. I also need to pass through level itself. Okay, level. That's fine there. And bring in level here. Level. Okay, now I can do level -1. -1? Is that what I want? Let's delete a console.log or two. Refresh. So no, I do need level. Not without the -1. Yeah, so I've got all my characters. I know when I come. Ooh, shuffle didn't work there. Why is shuffle not working? Oh wait, it did work there. That was weird. Right, Ash. Bangalore. They didn't do it there, did it? Unless it's just like, this is weird. It's like, why am I getting so many console.logs? I'm clicking it, and I don't think this should be coming back. I think something is causing my card container to run. Why? Refresh this. So I've got card container. It is running twice. Run. And it's doing it again. Why? Is it because of this now? Cards.sort, that mutates the array, doesn't it? I wonder if mutating the array and then calling set cards is like calling it twice. So one way to find out. Well, actually, no, that's right. There's multiple ways to find out. Forgotten who I click now. Bloodhound, Stick, and Crypto. Yeah, you win. I'm still getting that, but at least like the thing is working a little bit better. I don't know why it's calling it so many times. Use effect calls it when it gets loaded, and it should only call it when high score has. Oh, it's when high score has updated. Yeah, that does make sense. I think. So, actually, does it? High score is 5. I'm sure. Let's just clear this. High score isn't updating now, is it? So if I click that, it is running. Why? Use effect score. Set high score. I'm getting so lost in this. Annoyingly, it works. I can't understand why it's doing this. Oh man. Do I just like pretend it works? I think what I need to do though is add a few more cards and see if the cards do get added. I might put this on one line because it's going to be huge otherwise. I could put it in a separate file, but this is going to be a bit frustrating, just like tidying up the files. Bangalore. Do that. Let's do that and that. Is there a better way of doing this? Okay. Who's next? So there is fuse, and I need this lowercase because last time it caused me issues. Gibraltar. Horizon. Horizon. Next is Lifeline. My mate always plays this Lifeline so he can carry us because I constantly die. Loba. One more. Maggie. Not Megan. Maggie. Refresh. Okay, so Ash, Bangalore, Bloodhound, Crypto. Next level. Didn't update. Why do you do this to me? Should. Next level clicked. Card container. Why? So I thought this would and let's just do level here. Yes, I know I win. So yeah, level is 7. So why is this not now working? Set cards. Ooh, I don't know if this is going to work how I want it to. It's annoying that I've got to go through each time and try and win the game. Yeah, there we go. So that worked. It was just I wanted it to happen on click. So why is it not happening on click? That works. On game over. Next level. I could cheat. Should I cheat? I might cheat. It's not. Is it cheating? I don't know. Probably sort of, because it's means I don't fully understand what's going on. But what I'm going to do is just call it new game. For example, I'm going to create a function where I set the new cards and also run next level. And that's what's going to happen here, I think. Fingers crossed. Yeah, next level. Yeah. So sort of cheated. I do want to figure this out. I'm gonna have to ask my colleague. Maybe tomorrow. Or Google tomorrow. I can delete this. That's annoying me. The high score, it is changing. But even like now, my high score is 5. And it's still running. Even though the high score has not been updated. Is there a way to... Is there a better way to see what is causing my thing to render? I know what it is. I think it's this one. I think it's game, which is causing it to render. I think it could be here. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna try and explain my logic of why I think it is this one. So, when I click a card, let's just close some of these CSS files. And I'm gonna open up card. So when I click this card, I run the function random order that shuffles my cards. And I also run this update current cards. So if I go back to card container, which is my parent of card, I get, where is it? Update current cards. And that comes from the game component. That's just passed through. Then the game component update current cards. It checks to see if the card doesn't exist. If it does, it adds the cards. When the set current cards run, it changes my cards. And I think this use effect is then ran. So console.log use effect from current cards. Let's see if that is what I'm hoping. So next level, click use effects from current cards. That's fine. If I click it again, use effect from current cards. Solved it. Sort of. It's right what it's doing, I think. It's just slightly frustrating. I think that makes sense. It is doing what I think it is now. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's kind of done that bit now. Just need to remove all the console.logs. At least like now I understand it. Like why things are running. So remove that one. What have I got? I've got some in here, haven't I? Remove that one. I've got any more? Let's just save that. Oh, I don't need to save them anymore. Ah, did I break? Done something and there's an S somewhere. Oh, did I delete? Yeah, that's fine. Save that. Okay. So I think refresh. Yeah, I'm getting no console.logs, so that's okay. If I go back to my notes, I've got this working now. So I've kind of stopped that. Whoops. It is getting late with a level system. Okay, let's just cross. Try to cross it out or do like italics maybe. I think this is how you do italics. Yeah. How does it look? How do you do it again? Control. There we go. Yeah, the markdown looks pretty good. So I've got the nav bar, the card container. Oops. Interesting that that's not working, but it is working here. Very interesting. Just delete them to make sure. There we go. There's the white space. Always the white space. Links, that's not too important. But what I'm going to do very briefly and then call it a night, I think. When I'm on the wrong one. So this game over function, I wanted to render two different things maybe. So I want the you win obviously and the next level, but if there's not a next level possible, I wanted to probably render something else. So how am I going to go about that? That was a very cold cup of tea. Very cold. How am I going to render something different? I know I've got this return. I can't do an if statement in a return, can I? Yeah, can I? I don't know if I can in here. Whoops. It's not like this. I can't do an if there, can I? What do I need to do? Level. Yeah, if let's try it. Level equal to. This isn't going to work. It's not going to work there. game over. Then game over just sets that. Let's just do it in the game over. This is going to be probably not the best way of doing it. So I want two options. Modal. Is available, then show button, and you win, else show you crushed it. Something like that. That's what I'm thinking. So I need an if statement here. If level is equal to triple equals length of possible cards. This will be the you crushed it one. Else this. Actually, I could just put that down there. And I want to target this. I know I probably shouldn't do it in tech. Ooh. It was H1, wasn't it? In a text. Yep. Else. I also need to hide the button somehow, so I'll probably make a class of the none. So it's display none, and I'll add that to the button. So you win. Just copy this down, I think. I need to create dnon. I don't think I've got it yet. So let's do that. And I had a general style, I believe. Yeah, somewhere, general. Dnon, that's good there, that's good there. So what I'm going to do is comment that out. I think that will work. And then if I run this now, Bangalore, Bloodhound, Caustic, and wherever the other one is. Yeah, you crushed it because there's no more levels. Yes. That worked. Let's just add one more in. Double check. And refresh Ash. Bangalore. Yeah, you win. Next level. Boom. Go again. Ash. Oh, did I do it wrong? Oh, I did it wrong. Let's just refresh that. Ash. Bangalore. Bloodhound. Caustic. Crypto. Use. Yeah, and then it's you crushed it. Nice. I think that works. Should I add in like an extra? You crushed it. I'm just gonna say no more levels, just to be clear. I am very happy with that now. Pretty much got a working version. Very working version. I'm just gonna uncomment these lot. Save it. Oh, I've just thought of something else. I should stop thinking. Why do I do this to myself? It might be quite nice to tell the user what level they're on or how many levels they've got remaining. That shouldn't actually be too difficult. on the pop-up. So yeah, I do a P. Oops. I'm gonna call this a P tag. Levels remaining. Levels remaining. How am I gonna do this? Possible cards dot length minus level. Should work. Just because it's late and I can't do maths right now, I'm gonna make sure that there should be one level. Bangalore Bloodhound. Stick. And oh yeah. Yeah, levels remaining 1. So I go next level. Ash. Bloodhound. Yeah, you crushed it. No more levels. Maybe hide this, but that's no big deal. Definitely calling it a night, I think. I know. Certainty. I don't know what else. So apart from the links, which I'll probably just do off stream at some point during the week, I don't know if there's anything else to do on this. Let's just end this. Git add. Git commit. Feature. What did I do in this stream? Level functionality. And what else did I do? Level functionality. And modals. Next levels. What else did and implemented level based game. Save that. Close it. That's done. Git push or origin main. And then npm build. Yep, that's what I meant. Run build. Awesome. Give it 5 minutes. See if that works now. Find out more about development. That wasn't build, I needed to run. Deploy. Is it deploy? I've forgotten now. Yeah, it's deploy. It does the run build. Cool. Getting there ever so slowly. Published. I don't think it is gonna be. Oh yeah, I turned that off, didn't I? It's not gonna be ready yet. Yeah, pretty happy. Probably just need to do a actual readme file. Is it working yet? I can tell it's not because this text is still white. Oh. GitHub pages 1 minute ago. Yep. Tell I'm a bit impatient at times. There we go. Info, rules and info, that works fine. And all the images are loading up nicely as well. Ash, Bloodhound. Lost it. There we go. Oh man, there we go. You win. Levels remaining 6. I am not doing all 6 levels. Yes, so I think that is pretty much the end of this project. Let's have a look at the Odin project. See if I've like missed anything. Oops, I just need to sign in. Sign in. What did I sign in with? I think this is the right account. Yeah. So let's have a look. Is there anything major that I've missed? Ooh, they've updated this. Oh, this looks fancy. They've got little like spanners and tools. Oh, I like that. I just need to come back to this bit. Memory card. Yes, here I am. So I've got a best score, which is my high score, which does the score this far. Cards in a random order. Yep. Be sure to invoke that function when the component mounts. Technically, I haven't done this bit. Be sure to invoke that function when the component mounts. It only does it on click on the card, but I'm not going to sweat that little detail now that you've thought this would do. Set the folders, functional components, and therefore hooks. Yeah, I am very happy with that. I think I've hit the nail on the head. Looks semi-decent. I think mobile probably doesn't look great. You don't know. Yeah, so you got duplicating background images, but that's... Yeah, I don't think there's too much I can do about that. Well, there probably is. But yeah, otherwise... which one have I done? Bloodhound. Yeah, you win. You win. Oof. And there's Gibraltar. I am happy with that. So I'm going to call it a night there. As I said, I'm going to finish off the social icons sometime during this week, I think. Yeah. I mentioned it earlier, but I'm probably going to do like a 2x2 grid, have like YouTube, Twitch, do a globe kind of icon for my website, and then post the picture for the Odin project logo. Do that. And I probably won't do any kind of hover animations on those links. I might do like maybe a little wiggle. That might be quite nice. Like, ooh, ooh. Yeah, I might do that. Other than that, done. So I should be... When will I be on next? Let's have a look. What's the date today? The 26th? Wednesday? Yeah. So I'll probably be on doing a Twitch stream on Sunday. Normally around 10:30ish. Is it BST right now? Yeah, clocks go back on. Ooh, that's a good point. So the clocks go back on Sunday, don't they? So it'll be whatever time, 10:30ish around then. I think it might be. Yeah, the clocks go back. Yeah, I'll be on Twitch sometime Sunday morning. Not too sure yet. I hate it when the clocks go forward and backwards. I can never remember. YouTube stream will probably be next Wednesday. Let's have a look through top again. I will definitely not be up to the next project. So what I'm thinking of doing, if I open it up somewhere. So I think my next stream, I might try and do some front-end meta challenge. So it's been a while. I downloaded one to have a look, and I'm probably just going to start off with a whatever one it is, beginner one, and try and go through all the front-end meta challenges that I've not done before. So hopefully it'll be quite decent. It shouldn't be too difficult, although it's been a while since I've done like custom validations. I think it's just a property, isn't it? Can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, that's probably going to be my next stream. I have already done the Figma file for this one. I go back to Figma, back to files. I think I've done the Figma file, yeah. So yeah, this will be my next stream on Wednesday. But thank you everyone for joining. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, morning, mid-morning. I don't know. I'm definitely tired. So yeah, I'm gonna head off and I'll catch you all later. Ciao. Stop streaming. There we go.